Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Instant Tech Insights. Today, we're diving into the world of compact multimedia keyboards with the Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard. This versatile device is your ultimate companion for controlling media devices from the comfort of your couch, ideal for HTPC setups or just enhancing your PC to TV experience. With its built-in touchpad, easy media control, and compatibility with various operating systems, it offers convenience and functionality right at your fingertips. If you're keen on discovering how this keyboard can transform your media control experience, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews and the latest in tech trends. Your engagement motivates us to bring more insightful content your way. For a closer look and to see it in action, check out the link in the description below. Share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going about how it can elevate your digital lifestyle. This wireless touch keyboard is a perfect blend of functionality and compact design, making it an ideal companion for those who love to control their media devices without the hassle of wires or bulky equipment. One of the standout features is its integrated touchpad, which supports multi-touch gestures, allowing users to navigate their devices intuitively. This eliminates the need for a separate mouse, making it a convenient option for living room setups or when space is at a premium. In addition to its touchpad, the device is equipped with easy-to-access multimedia keys, enhancing the user experience when controlling video playback, sound volume, or browsing the internet. Another thoughtful design element is the inclusion of an additional left-click button located on the upper left side of the keyboard. This provides users with an alternative way to execute click commands, particularly useful when the keyboard is placed on a lap or used from a distance. Compatibility is another strong suit. It seamlessly connects with a range of operating systems, including Windows, Android, and Chrome OS, making it a versatile choice for various devices. The wireless connectivity extends up to 33 feet, 10 meters, offering ample range for users to control their devices from across the room without experiencing lag or interruption. This range, combined with its broad compatibility, ensures that it can be a go-to solution for controlling PCs connected to TVs, laptops, or even tablets, providing a unified user experience across multiple platforms. The device stands out not just for its functionality and design, but also for its impressive battery life. Logitech promises an 18-month battery lifespan based on an average use of about 2 hours per day, which is a significant advantage for users who dislike frequent battery changes. This extended battery life is especially beneficial for those who use the keyboard in living room setups or in environments where replacing batteries frequently can be a hassle. The keyboard is engineered with an on-off switch, which is a thoughtful addition aimed at conserving battery life. Users can easily turn off the device when it's not in use, thereby extending the battery life even further. This feature is particularly useful for those who might forget to switch off their devices, as it provides a simple way to ensure the keyboard is not draining battery power when idle. Moreover, the 18-month battery life is based on the use of AA batteries, which are readily available and easy to replace. This convenience means that when the time does come to change batteries, the process is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools or batteries. The longevity and ease of battery replacement contribute to the overall user-friendly experience, making it a reliable choice for users looking for a wireless keyboard with minimal maintenance requirements. Not only does the keyboard provide convenience with its integrated touchpad and multimedia keys, but it also offers extensive customization through the Logitech Options software. This powerful software enhances the user experience by allowing you to tailor key assignments, adjust pointer speed, and fine-tune gesture controls to your preferences. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or optimize your multimedia experience, Logitech Options provides the tools to make the device truly your own. When it comes to performance, it shines with its responsive keys and touchpad. Users often praise the typing quality, noting that the keys provide a comfortable and quiet typing experience, which is ideal for a living room setting or any environment where minimizing noise is preferred. The touchpad is responsive and supports multi-touch gestures, making it a breeze to navigate through web pages or control your media playback with precision and ease. In multimedia and web browsing tasks, the keyboard demonstrates its versatility and performance prowess. The layout, including the dedicated multimedia keys, allows for effortless control over video and audio content, enhancing the user experience whether you're streaming your favorite show or browsing the web. The overall performance, coupled with its compatibility with various operating systems and devices, makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their media control setup. The Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard not only stands out for its seamless integration and ease of use but also for its robust customization options provided by the Logitech Options software. This software is a game changer for users who wish to tailor their keyboard experience to their specific needs. With Logitech Options, you can customize key assignments, allowing you to set up shortcuts and commands that align with your most frequent actions, thus enhancing productivity and user experience. Furthermore, the software enables you to adjust the pointer speed, ensuring that the cursor moves at a pace that's comfortable for you, which is particularly important when you're navigating on a large TV screen from your couch. Moreover, the software's ability to fine-tune gesture controls is a significant addition. Users can personalize how they interact with the touchpad, adjusting gestures to suit their browsing habits or media control preferences. This level of customization ensures that whether you're scrolling through web pages, enlarging images, or navigating through your media library, the touchpad responds in a way that feels intuitive and natural to you. It's these thoughtful customization options that elevate the keyboard from a standard wireless keyboard to a versatile tool that adapts to your individual preferences and usage patterns. In conclusion, the Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard is a stellar choice for anyone looking to enhance their media control experience. Its compact design, combined with the powerful Logitech Options software, provides a level of customization and control that's hard to beat. Whether you're using it in a living room environment to control your PC-connected TV or as a convenient tool for your HTPC setup, it offers simplicity, efficiency, and a user-friendly experience. If you're in the market for a wireless keyboard that brings comfort and control right to your fingertips, it is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below.